Since 1978, Falcon Group has excelled in the manufacturing of grinding, turning, and milling machining centers. From design to engineering to production, we leverage invaluable input from our customers into the world's most innovative solutions. Innovation is the core focus of Falcon Group. Our research and development division ensures maximum accuracy, flexibility, and rigidity of all machines. Our strength lies in the development of high-end new products, as well as optimizing product quality and design. Our mission is to maximize the profitability of our customers. Every detail is performed with strict compliance, from the foundry to machine assembly, to on-time deliveries, services, and technical support. Chevalier's innovative technologies come to life in a number of diverse and growing industries: aerospace, automotive, defense, wind electric power generation, medical, printing, semiconductor, machinery and equipment, energy, and the die and mold industries. From the most up-to-date CNC machine tools, comprehensive automation to intelligent production, we continue to produce a superior quality product and eagerly innovate to meet our customers' needs. Based on Industrial 4.0, Chevalier has incorporated cloud computing, big data, and IoT, Internet of Things, to independently research and develop smart, fully functional control software. This results in our customers possessing the vital tools they need to avoid machining problems. Additionally, Chevalier has partnered with the Ministry of Economic Affairs and hundreds of domestic supply chains to create Aerospace Team 4.0, a collaboration of government, industry, and academia. The goal is to quickly meet the more sophisticated manufacturing demands of the aerospace industry by providing Industrial 4.0 and intelligent turnkey solutions. Over the years, Chevalier has received international certifications for quality assurance. Our customers can be assured the products that they receive are very reliable, since every step of the manufacturing process involved a high level of quality control. Chevalier is also a worldwide leader in production procedures. Our mission is to maximize the profitability of our customers. And we achieve that by having an automatic, highly elastic, and efficient production line. From the foundry to power distribution to machine assembly, Chevalier inspects every detail with microscopic precision, conducts strict quality control, performs superior production procedures, and provides on-time deliveries. To simplify production and shorten machining time, Chevalier is a recognized leader at creating custom-made workpiece jigs. Moreover, Chevalier plans and develops a turnkey system to provide our customers with comprehensive solutions, maximizing their productivity and profitability. What's more, our engineers are trained to thoroughly communicate with our customers so we can best meet their current and future needs. Chevalier is committed to developing and manufacturing high-end machines that meet the ever-changing needs of a technologically savvy marketplace and our highly valued customers. Our service engineers provide exemplary and regularly scheduled technical support and services around the world. Keeping an eye on worldwide needs, as well as persisting with the philosophy to satisfy users' needs, is on top of benefits acquisition. With years of developing and manufacturing experiences, Chevalier fully utilizes this advantage and expects to continuously face the next challenge.